You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I'm going to be giving you guys a 3 months later user review. And of course, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So you know what? Haven't said this for a while, but cue the B-roll. So as you guys all know, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra actually came out this year, or earlier on this year. And yeah, I'm going to review it for you guys and give you guys my 3 months update and 3 months review of actually owning this device and using it to my day-to-day business and going to work, you know, just having it as a daily driver in my pocket. I'm going to be giving you guys a little review on this device. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at a few bits of information about this device. I'm not going to go into big specs and stuff like that, you know, just trying to get review the phone like in depth. Today I'm just going to be giving you guys like a little kind of details of the phone, what I've seen in it, what I've enjoyed in it, and obviously how it's treating me, battery life, all that, etc., things like that. So anyway, today we're going to first of all talk about the design aspect of the phone and obviously how it feels in your pocket and how it weighs you down when you're going out and things like that when it's in your pocket. First of all, the device is noticeably heavier, definitely heavier than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which I was using last year before I got this S21 Ultra. It's noticeably heavier, but in the real world, if you have this in your pocket, it's not going to really weigh you down wherever you're going, because I mean, at the end of the day, yes it's heavy, but it's not heavy to really affect your day-to-day things you're going to be doing. I mean, you are going to feel it in your hand when you actually carry it and use the phone and anything like that, but obviously when you got it in your pocket or in your bag, it's not really going to weigh you down. You can do things without you thinking it's in your pocket. It's one of them phones, the lighter the phone the better, because then you feel like, you know what, there's nothing weighing me down. Anyway, the usability of the device is just absolutely beautiful. It's just what Samsung has done on this smartphone is just absolutely insane. I mean, going from the quality and then the screen and then the functionality of the device is just absolutely awesome. For example, take the camera. Actually, forget the camera. We'll talk about that later on. Take the screen for an example. The screen is just built so nicely, and the nits that this display actually produces is just absolutely awesome, especially when you're out in the day, when you're out in the sunlight and the sun is just coming down and burning our skins, well, apart from my skin, but you know. But when you're out in the sun and you've got the phone directly to the sun, it does a very good job actually making the screen a lot more brighter, so you can actually see what's going on in the display, which is very good. And it's an awesome job from Samsung, because some phones, when you're outside in the heat and in the sun, the screen tend to kind of just doesn't do anything. It doesn't really get brighter, it doesn't really get lower or anything like that. You just can't really see what you're doing on the device because it's so sunny and so bright outside. So what you end up having to do is kind of doing this like this, so you got kind of like a shadow from your hand covering the phone, so you can actually use the device. But you can literally just use this phone in the bright sunlight just like that, and you'll be able to see exactly what you're doing, which is just absolutely amazing and phenomenal. This is what I love about this device. And then the whole surrounding of the phone, the way the phone's actually been designed and built, is just absolutely awesome. This device has been built to last, and 3 months now, I haven't had any issues at all with this device. I mean, I'm not gonna say I've dropped it a lot of times, because I haven't dropped it loads of times. But even when I do drop it, it's like light, minor drops that, you know, just accidental drops. But the device held up really, really well, especially with a case on it as well. It just gives it more strength, and obviously it just makes the phone last a bit more longer. And yeah, advice, if you're gonna get a device that costs this amount of money, please protect it, because it will help you out in the long run. And especially you got that Gorilla Glass 6 glass as well in the front and the back as well, so there is a lot of protection there as well for you, when even if you do drop it on a big height or anything like that. And also, one thing that I enjoy from Samsung as well, with this, I mean, from the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra all the way to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, what I really do enjoy from Samsung that they implement in the devices from factory is the fact that they put like a screen protector on the device, which is just absolutely awesome. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely there, a screen protector on the device to kind of protect it so you don't actually have to buy a screen protector for the device, because there is some screen protectors that you do get and you put it on the device, and believe it or not, it actually prevents you from using the fingerprint scanner on the screen because of the material they use and make the aftermarket screen protectors. So you end up having to buy the screen protectors with like a hole in where just there where the middle of where your fingers go to actually unlock the phone, and just to me it looks very, very tacky. I mean, it just doesn't look that great. But this screen protector, I believe, is some kind of gel screen protector or something like that from Samsung that actually does enable you to use your fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone and lock the device as well, which is just absolutely awesome. And then the usability of the phone, like, everything is so fast, everything is so snappy, especially with that 12 gig of RAM on this device. It's just absolutely awesome. And then the refresh rate, 120 refresh rate, it just keeps the phone flowing very, very smoothly and very, very fast, which is just awesome. And then speaking about the cameras on this device, the camera is just absolutely awesome. It's an absolute beast. First of all, when I started using this device, I actually didn't use the 108 megapixel capacity I can't speak. I actually never used the 108 megapixel camera on this device. I've always, you know, just turned down the quality a little bit, because I thought, coming from the S20 Ultra, the 108 megapixel lens on that wasn't the greatest. So I thought it would be the same lens on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, because obviously it's still the same lens, 108 megapixel. That's why I turned it down. But I've been noticing turning this up to 108 megapixel lens and using that 108 megapixel lens, it's been absolutely incredible. It's been done an amazing job photographing things, videoing things, and the quality you get from the 108 megapixel camera is just absolutely insane, which is just awesome. And there I was thinking, with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, the 108 megapixel was just absolutely trash. But in this S21 Ultra, they've really stepped up their game, and the camera is just absolutely awesome. And then don't even get me started on the front-facing camera. That small little lens there, packing in a 40 megapixel camera, wow, it's just absolutely awesome. The picture quality from the front-facing camera is like nothing I've ever seen, because it's just, for a small little camera there, it packs in a lot of punch, which is just absolutely amazing. And then going to using the device for the speakers and stuff like that, obviously you get a speaker at the bottom, you get the bottom speaker grill, which is there, and you obviously get the top speaker grill as well. The top speaker grills acts as a speaker grill, not as a speaker, with the bottom speaker grill as well. So you're actually getting audio from both sides, which is just absolutely awesome. But yeah, with YouTube videos, any videos you're watching on this, is just absolutely awesome. The audio quality is absolutely crisp and just very, very sharp. The bass is nice, the treble is nice. It's just a completely beautiful audio experience when you listen out of this device, and also it's fitted in with the Dolby Atmos as well, which is just absolutely awesome. It just combines everything and it just runs very, very smoothly with the audio and stuff like that. But yeah, it's an absolutely beautiful device, and what Samsung has actually done with this device is just absolutely awesome. Then the black as well, it just looks absolutely awesome. It looks very, very stealth, which is just amazing. And then yeah, it's just a beautiful phone to have, to be honest with you. But yeah guys, if I should answer a question, do you still buy the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, knowing that the OnePlus 9 Pro is out, which review will be coming in soon on the channel, and obviously the iPhone 12, and then the more Android phones are coming out now, that's an absolute beast. I mean, if you want a good quality device, then I say still buy it 3 months down the line, because it's an absolutely beautiful and an absolutely stunning and absolutely gorgeous device to own and put in your pocket. And for Samsung, big props to them, because they've done an absolutely beautiful job. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe, it's free, so why don't you subscribe and join the iEman family. But yeah, comment down below, tell me your suggestions, your opinions about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.